When getting started trading with Cryptohopper, you're gonna wanna go into this with some kind of knowledge about cryptocurrency. If you're just watching YouTube and finding people that are promising to get rich quick by using Cryptohopper and you don't know anything about crypto, you're gonna be lost. So you really wanna get yourself really acclimated with how Bitcoin and cryptocurrency works. You wanna be very careful on everything you learn about wallets. When you transfer crypto from one wallet to another, you wanna make sure it's copy and pasted perfect, because if not, it's gone forever. And then second, I'd probably say the number 2 thing you really wanna make sure you learn is security. With everything involved with crypto, you wanna make sure you're secure. If you have 2-factor authentication available, go ahead and activate that and turn that on. You really need to be careful in this crypto space. And then the last thing, just make sure you always do your research. If someone reaches out to you with an opportunity, or they're pretending to say they're someone from Cryptohopper, you need to make sure you do your research, because unfortunately in the crypto space, there's a lot of scam opportunities there. So I would just say making sure you have a base knowledge of cryptocurrency, security, and do your research.